Hey y'all. So in this video, I'm going to be sharing with you a brand new product that we have in our spring summer 2021 catalog. Okay. So you guys know our felt collection, our canvas collection is top notch. The quality is amazing. The durability is amazing. And this product is awesome. So this is called the Canvas Storage Caddy. I love this. It can be used for so many things. So whether you wanted to use it as a, a craft bag, a Easter basket, I mean, so many things you could use this for. Okay, so I have just a few things in here just to show you what all it can hold. Okay, so like I said, it's called the Canvas Storage Caddy. It is this natural canvas look here. It's very nice. It's trimmed in our chestnut brown accents here. And you guys know from our felt collection that we can do that raised embroidery on the felt items and on this canvas items, okay? So when you're doing that personalization, you'll go to like step 1, there's kind of a drop down and you can click that drop down and click raised embroidery, and then you'll see all the options for the raised embroidery. Now what the raised embroidery is, it's a really, really thick personalization, okay? So it's really hard, but like there's a bump, like I can run my finger over it and it's like just a huge bump. So it's a very, very thick personalization. Now, I did the heart, of course, in the chestnut brown thread color to match this. There are so many uses for this, though. I saw where somebody had put a peach on theirs and it says peachy clean, and they were using this caddy as like a cleaning caddy. I mean, so cute. There's so many ideas that you can do with this. Okay, so this is that canvas storage caddy. You've got a nice pocket, and what I love is that it has pockets all the way around the edge. So you can see like I've got paint in here. On the back, you've got two sections here. So I got little paintbrushes in here, glue sticks in there. My kids love glue. There's another pocket here on the side, and right here there's a pocket there on the front. Now on the inside, you'll see that I actually have this kind of as a little craft caddy for my kids. Like they love crafts, Play-Doh. As much as I hate Play-Doh in my house, they love playing Play-Doh. So these little Play-Doh things just fit perfect in here. I actually have two of those in there, and then I even have a 𝗴𝗶𝘃𝗿𝗀 caddy on one side with paint and things like that. Now the bottom of this was a big question. The bottom it's not a hard bottom here. It's just that canvas bottom, but this strap right here is super sturdy. It's not flimsy at all. So I really like that on here. So that's it's almost like a woven handle here. Okay, so this is called the Canvas Storage Caddy. Now you guys know I'm always going to show you products together, okay? I'm never going to just show you one product because we have an awesome customer special. So for every $50 that you spend, you get a 50% off item, okay? So I always like to pair products together to show you maybe a solution set, products that may work great together, and then you can get one of them for half price, right? Okay, so you saw this just a second ago. So I have the 𝗴𝗃𝗃𝗀 caddy. This is in that rose blush print. These are fantastic all over your home. I'm not even kidding. For remotes, for Kleenexes, in your car. I mean, to keep things, a little Easter caddy for kids. Little toddlers love carrying these little things around. Now you can see I have a ton of little acrylic paints in here. And so I was thinking this would just be a great little caddy for my kids. So it fits so nicely down on the inside, okay? Some other products that I think that would definitely pair nice with this. This is called our Get Creative zipper pouch. This is one of my favorites. My little girl, Lily, just discovered this, and she has been carrying it everywhere. So my kids love erasable pens. If you guys don't know what erasable pens are, you can go grab them at Walmart, any place like that. And it's a pen, but you can use it, it erases. So I love it in my planner. But so Lily, my little girl, has the erasable pens, and then I got her a little notepad, and so she's been carrying that around everywhere. So this is called the Get Creative zipper pouch. You've got 4 slots here, so you can see like this is actually the one I use for travel, so that's why I have some of my travel items in here. Great for kids, like I said, great for a makeup bag too. So you got 4 little slots here. You can see I've got highlighters and things. I've got a little portable phone charger here, and then this middle section just kind of folds back and forth just like this, and it's actually a zipper pouch, so you can store things. You can see I have charging cords in here, earbuds and things like that. And then the back, you have a folder back here. So Great for kids. Like I said, it's a great busy bag, like an on-the-go busy bag. You can take it out of your caddy really quick when you're going out to eat and your kids have something to do. You can even zip in this little section right here. You can even zip up a white piece of paper, put some dry erase markers in here, and then they can use this as a little dry erase board. So such a great idea. Or makeup, like I said, put your makeup in here, your palettes back here, and you're good to go. Okay, so this is called the Get Creative Zipper Pouch. Okay, and I think this would pair very nicely with our double duty caddy. Now you guys know, like, I use the double duty caddy literally everywhere. My son has one in his room for all of his storage. You know, like he's got a little box of Crayola markers. There's markers, crayons, big markers, thick markers, and so he has that on one side. Then he has like books and papers on the other. So if you're homeschooling, this is such a great little station for you. I use this in my bathroom. It sits on my counter all day, every day, and it keeps my counter so organized. So I've got my smaller bottles, lotions, facial lotions, face makeup remover right here in the front, and then in the back I have my taller items, so like my hairspray, my dry shampoo, my big bottle of lotion, and things like that. And then over here is where I keep my mascaras and things like that. So, but this is also great in your craft station, so you can keep things separated. Even like your crochet and knitters can use this too as well. So this is called that double duty caddy. Lily has one in her room. I give these as diaper or as baby shower gifts. So many uses. Okay, so these are just awesome items for your home. So if you get the double duty caddy, if you grab the Get Creative Zipper Pouch, these two together would qualify you for a half price item. You could also grab that Little's carry-all caddy, and then you're going to get the Canvas Storage Tote for half price. I just think this is just the best bundle. I love being organized. I love that everything has its place, and that's our job with 31. We love to help you get organized. So I hope that you love these items. I'll link everything below. So all you have to do is just click the description. Everything will pop up. You can click the link and then go pick out your prints. It's so fun. Play around with your personalization. That's what sets us apart with 31 is our personalization. It's so fun. Just like doing that peach on there and put peachy clean, or you could put that sloth on there and say you're a procrastinator. I don't know. There's so many ideas that make these products so fun. So thanks so much for watching. If you haven't already, subscribe to my channel. That way you don't miss my product videos. Okay, you'll get a notification. If you're interested in the 31 business opportunity, I'd love to chat with you and see if 31 might be a fit for you and whatever is, you know, going on in your life. Maybe you want to make some extra money. Maybe you just need some girl time. Maybe you want to get your hands on all these products. Let's chat and see if 31 might be a fit for you. Also, you can host with me. I do fun parties on Facebook. So I'd love to host with you and help you earn your products and your wish list for free, for half price, or discounted, okay? All right, and then always remember when you're shopping about our 50/50 special. And then if you don't have a consultant, I would love to be your girl. So I'll link below my VIP group, okay? So just click the link, answer the 2 questions when you request to join my group, and then I'll send you back a personal message. So you'll have to make sure, since we're not friends, you'll have to make sure that you check that message request folder or that spam folder, and you'll see that message from me. Or you can just click on my personal page and then click message, and then you'll see that I have sent you a message back, okay? So I'd love to be your consultant if you don't have one. All right. Thanks so much for watching, y'all. Stay tuned. More videos coming your way. Have a great day.